We're in Sparks, Nevada, Arena, here to deliver Monday morning. It is currently Saturday morning today, and I'll give you an update on the world. See, still there, hasn't gone anywhere. Right, so it's been about 25,000 miles since I did that. And it's been holding just fine. I'm over here at the TA right now, and so far so good. So we check to see how we're doing on the tires. This one's not looking that good, but we're gonna replace it. It's already to the mark right there. The mark is 2:30 seconds, I believe, right here, the rubber part. So I'll make it home. So yeah, that is it, and just want to give you guys an update on the thing that on the tandem stopper, so you guys can see that it wasn't anything serious like fucking Loves was telling me it was. So, you know. Alright. Catch you guys on the next one. Yeah, you guys can see this one. It has a stoppage right in the front too. Right in the second hole. And as you can see, this one has a mark 40, 41. See? So remember guys, if you guys go to California, you have to be 40 feet on the hub, on the rear hub, okay? God bless you.